Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This will be the third and last unpacking video of my AliExpress orders. Let's go ahead and proceed. First item. A box of, I think it was, the description for this was remote control push buttons. So different types of remote control push buttons. Different sizes, different shapes. Next item. Two items. Tweezers. First time I saw these was on a gentleman called Soren at Electronic Repair School. That's the name of his channel. And I thought the shape of the how do you get this off now? Oh my. I'll figure it out. Okay. So it's a pointy, funny shaped, but I think it will make it easy to pick up components, especially SMD chips. Okay, next. Battery gaskets. Green, I believe. No, yeah. So these are used to, I believe, on the positive side, you put some of these so that the positive doesn't come in. The positive terminal doesn't come in contact with the shell, which is, I believe, the negative or something like that. Next item. I bought a bunch of collection of diodes. Let me just take one and see if I can read. I believe these are 1N series, but yeah. Next, another box. These are, take a closer look, micro USB. This is a collection of micro USB ports. Again, useful because I do have some older devices that use micro USB ports. Another box. Okay, as opposed to remote control push buttons, these are just normal push buttons. You can see the different sizes, 10 pieces of each. This style of push button. Let me open it. Yeah, different lengths and different sizes. Next, Bluetooth cassette adapter. I bought this. I have an old car, but yes, it has a cassette player. Youngsters will have no clue what I'm talking about. Comes with a USB-C charging cable, and this is the actual device. So you put this in your cassette player in the car, and you pair it with your phone. You can play your music in your old car. Next, what is this now? Ah, yes, another PCB board holder. Yeah. Oh, it's fighting me. You slide it out. Okay, you just slide it out. Yeah. They sell one with 2 of these, or I bought the bigger one, which is 3. Yeah, wow, it has quite a bit of weight to it. And so, how does this work now? Ah, push button. So you push it, and now it won't move. Yeah. And do I have a sample board somewhere? Here we go. So let's say it's this one. You put it like this. Slide this into position. Slide this into position. And now it's held. And you can do work on it. Yeah, I like it. And these, yeah, these can be moved, so you can move these to according to the depending on the shape of the board. These can be moved. So I have a whole bunch of these. I don't know, I'm addicted to buying them. Right, so this is gonna go in the trash. Next, what's this now? I can put the circuit board away. This one is called the tail insertion tester. Tip. Yeah, you can smile at, you can laugh at that. I know I did when I first heard it. A lot of channels use this. It's basically a USB-C tester, and I think it's also the Apple Lightning tester. Come on, don't fight. Okay, here we go. You can charge it USB-C. I'll have to read a bit the manual, I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is the USB-C port, and this is the Lightning, Apple Lightning. So you plug it into the, let's say, a phone, and it will tell you the whether the USB-C is working properly, or whether you have problems with the port. I might make a video on this, but we'll see. Okay. Next. What is this now? I think I know what this is, if I can get it open. Yes. So this is, I mentioned I ordered a battery for this phone here. So I believe this is the battery. When I change the battery of the phone, I'll probably use a different phone and make a video out of it. Next, it's for a Galaxy S9 Plus. These are battery holders. Yeah. So if you're spot welding batteries together, these will come in handy. I'll bring my, so you can put it in this and do your spot welding. And these, actually, if you're doing like two next to each other, you can clip them together like this, and now you have two, and you can put the two batteries, one, put the other one next to it, and do your spot welding to connect them. And then when you're done, you can break them apart again. Well, it's pretty tight. There we go. Next, I bought some Phillips, long Phillips, for my screwdriver. So you put it in the screwdriver. I think these are 10 centimeters each, different sizes. $5 or $6. Okay, last 3 or 4 items. This is just a power supply. Some people call it charger. It's 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A. The brand is eSager or eSager. Ta-da! There we go. It's 100 watts, and I've ordered this. The second one I ordered. I have tested them on a MacBook, and they do actually deliver. It actually does deliver 100 watt. I believe it's only the C1 that does that. The C2 doesn't. But anyway, so you have 2 Type C and 2 Type A ports. Pretty heavy. Next, what are these now? Okay, let me save this for after. These are the batteries for the AirPod. I believe I mentioned that I'm going to change the batteries on an old AirPod 1 or 2. So these two go in the actual things that go in your ear, and this is for the case. I might make a video out of it. I didn't do a video of opening it because that was a complete nightmare, but replacing the batteries and testing it, that might be a good video. So expect an AirPod battery replacement video. Next, I bought this desktop, what I call it, it is called the desktop charger, because you can stand it on your desk. It's for here, for my desk here. Wow, fancy packaging. This one comes with 3 USB-C, 2 USB-A 3.1, and the USB-Cs can handle power delivery and all that stuff. And it has a stand, so you put it I guess you can put it like this, because this is where you plug in the power, and then you would plug in your devices in here, and you can stand it on your desk like this. This is the power cord. Let me see if the box shows any. Yeah. These are the specs. 100 watt max. I don't know what the total wattage. Let me see if I can. Total output power 140 watt. So you could be charging a 100 watt device and like a MacBook Air, let's say, and also a couple of phones with it. And the very last two items which are related is this and this. So I decided to invest in a spot welding machine. The brand is Finirsi. I actually have a few of their other devices. Clamp meter and what else? A USB meter, stuff like that. And so I decided to invest in this. I have watched quite a bit of videos and reviews on this, and it was adequate for a hobbyist like myself. It's good enough. So maybe I'll make a video out of doing some spot welding with this, even though there are already quite a few of them, but why not? Someone might enjoy watching me do the testing. Alright, I'm not going to open it now. Maybe we'll leave it for a video, but you get the idea. You basically plug the probes into the holes here, and then you can put the settings for strength and time and all that stuff, and then you use the tip of the probes to spot weld metal strips on 18650 batteries, or whatever size batteries you're using. 18650 are the most popular, and it comes with I don't know how long it is, but a strip of nickel or whatever for the spot welding. But I bought an extra one here, 5 meters, 0.8, I guess, millimeter. Yeah, so about just under 1 centimeter width, and 0.1, I believe, is the thickness. So it's 0.1 thick, 8 millimeters wide, and it's 5 meters in length. So this goes with this. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and the series, because this ended up being 3 videos. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.